Always unplug the vacuum before dismantling any part of the machine. First, check the swivel neck by pressing the housing release button, lifting off the dust bag housing, and checking inside the swivel neck. Then inspect the airflow pathway via the orange trapdoor. Clip the base back onto the main body. If this does not clear the blockage, you can remove the attachment hose from the instant use wand and inspect it visually. Then release the back end of the attachment hose and inspect the hose. Clip the wand back in place and insert the hose back in.